Using Wish gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop for a variety of items on the Wish platform. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start shopping. Step 1. Create or log into your Wish account. If you don't already have a Wish account, download the Wish app or visit the Wish website to create one. If you have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the gift card section. In your account settings, look for the option labeled gift card or redeem gift card. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. You will see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card and click redeem or submit. Step 5. Start shopping. Once your gift card has been successfully redeemed, the balance will be added to your account. You can now browse the Wish marketplace and use your gift card balance to pay for your purchases at checkout. Now that you know how to use Wish gift cards, you can enjoy shopping for a wide range of products. Happy shopping!